You've been neglecting your legs. You should add some squats to your workout. We need to build a bigger nest. The kids want a game system and a flat screen TV. Before next winter, maybe we should install some insulated windows. Did you see how our kid escaped from that egg? Let's name him Houdini. Big deal, you can fly. Can you lay an egg? Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. That was a secret language my brother and I used so our parents wouldn't know what we were saying. Raising a family would be really stressful, but this isn't so bad. With my hard, green shell, I